Alrighty. So first thing I want to do today is I am publishing a little helper library of a bunch of functions and types that I like using that are a little bit more lightweight than bringing in something like effect, even though I love effect. I would use effect by default on backend services, but I also want something a little bit more lightweight I can just copy and paste around our projects and have without the ceremony and commitment to that. So yeah, this looks right. Yeah. So I want to come in here and I want to add, let's see here, prelude icons. Let's switch over to project bucket list. So my sessions, we can kill that session. Come in here and we can make a new tab, rename that. This will be prelude. And let's change up let's move this stuff over. Nice, okay. Let's vim in there and let's make another tab and we're going to call this one Melange FFI. And hopefully I have that cloned. Yeah, nice. Nice. All right, I want to go copy a bunch of the types for this. So let's jump back over to here. We'll actually kind of v-split this for a second. And we're gonna go to here, here, down to result. Great. Good morning, it's Nerms. How we doing? Good morning, Outcast. I'm doing well. I actually slept well last night for the first time in a while. Did you figure out the CSV parser stuff for your client? I did. I had a really good meeting with them yesterday and got all the blockers ironed out. So we are going to be moving forward on that. I have to build, I'll show you. I don't know if you were here when we built the little tool for generating mail to links and email templates. We're going to build that into the dashboard of our client app. And then we're going to try to experiment with that being all client side and then a server approach because of some PII stuff they haven't fully mapped out. But once we get that added, because that's a bigger priority for them, we're going to be writing our Rust stuff. Hi, Biolava. Lavo. Okay. And we're going to rename this A. Why isn't that making this full screen? There we go. Okay, let's grab that. And we'll come down here, paste that in, great. Okay, that looks good, and then we'll grab you. I actually want to make sure, I'm not convinced this is proper JS doc. So let's, whoops. Here we go. Y'all, I have to get my eyes dilated this morning, and I'm not looking forward to it. I hate going to the eye doctor. Are these JS docs accurate, well-typed, and well-written? I don't care. Stop. Do I have natural scrolling on? I thought so. Okay. Guess it is well formed. Let's grab you now, yoink. And that's gonna go here. That looks good. I don't want T though, this should be A. Same thing. That looks good. Yoink you. Get to wear those Ray Charles glasses? Yeah, pretty much. That's my guess. I normally get like, I don't know if it's motion sickness or what. JSDoc param tag has name value, but there's no parameter with it. Oh, right, this should be value. There we go. Okay, that's good. And then we want this. Let's have ChatGPT write a JS doc for this. Do I have types in here? Don't use typedef. Is Spotify working this morning? I literally just said don't use typedef. Sure, whatever. I don't care. Write JS docs for this TypeScript type. There we go. That's all I wanted. My God. And then I'm just gonna have ChatGPT write all the JS docs. All right, so what I'm doing right now, chat, is I think I already talked about it a little bit, but there's more of you here now. I'm writing a little NPM package that I can copy and paste into projects that's a little bit lighter weight than an effect. Because I don't always want to be pulling in an effect, especially in UI stuff. But so we're throwing in just some common stuff that I use all the time and end up rewriting all over the place. What's up, Cyprian? It is going well. Let's grab that. Let's close this. Yo, I had a tweet pop off last night. As soon as I saw Joe Biden's tweet last night, I knew this tweet. I right in the moment I had the idea for the tweet, and other people have done this. But oh my God, I was laughing at myself so hard making this. It's so good. What up, Dave? Dave, I have been trying to cut a new release of Melange Create React app, or Jesus Christ. I'm having a stroke right now, chat. I've been trying to cut a release of Create Melange app, but I cannot get my machine back in a stable place to even build the project. So I'm just gonna nuke all my OCaml, OPAM stuff one of these days and finally get to it. Okay, let's go clean up these JS docs here. Part of the problem is I'm trying to manage OPAM with Nix, and I think that's part of my problem, rather than using a native installation. Okay, that looks good. And let's come down here and we'll do the same thing for our... Now do this, but please keep the column length to 80 characters. Managed to put NixOS on Asus G15. Nice. Isn't it so, like, man, I wish that this type was just built into the language. Like, it's so easy to implement and just adds so much value. Which, that's why I'm publishing this little npm package, so I can just grab it whenever I want. All right, so we should have all of our ish here. Oh my God. There we go. Dave, I'm so excited for September to hang out with you and everybody in Germany and Spain. It's gonna be so much fun. I literally cannot wait. All right, so that looks good. And now I just want to make sure I get autocomplete. Yep. Contained. Yeah. We're in Germany. I'll be in Berlin. Man, my fingers are a little swollen. Okay, so now I want to keep this because I want to make sure my types are working. This should be a result of number string still. Yeah. And let's actually flip-flop this, see if we can get it to change. Change in there, we'll return 4, and then we'll say string of the result of this. And this should become a result string number. That's interesting that it didn't just unify. Where is it getting an error string from anywhere in this? That's not right. I like this song. Good job, TS server. Very proud. So that's the right type there. Where does it even think an error string is coming from? Oh, because it can be... That's true. I guess that is true. Because get random number could return a... Well, no. Let's see if I do a map error. If I fart and loop came out, will that make my right arm go numb? My right arm is numb, and I'm trying to work out why. It's probably the lube. I'm gonna be honest, happens to the best of us. Wouldn't it be nice if you could simply query where a type come from? That would be sick, actually. So let's go back to what we had here. Yeah, good luck, Guftron. You definitely don't need medical help, so don't feel alarmed. I am a doctor. So right now this is good. If we drop down to map error, we should get a string here, but it's coming through as any, which is not what we want. This should be a string because it can only ever be a string. So let's go see if we can fix our types. Map error, map error, map error. Do I work for China? No. I work for the man. Big triangle, big JS. There was an ad break earlier. What are you going to Berlin for? I'm going to Berlin to speak at Fun OCaml conference where, well, actually Dave SNX in chat is one of the organizers and also a speaker. And from there, Dave and I, and maybe a few others, will be going from Berlin to Alicante, Spain, to speak at React Alicante. I think I just rolled my sleeve too far. I did. But Sabine and Dave, and maybe others, are hosting the conference in Berlin. Leo will be there. I don't know how to say the person's name who works on Dune will be there. There's a lot of people. Who is das Klo? What's it mean? Who is... Oh, Crab Rave. Let's fucking go. This should be actually never. So we want that to be a string. So let's see if we can get this worked out here. In fact, I don't even know if we need... How did we do map in the error class? Where's the toilet? That's super important. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Mírame, yo soy el capitán ahora. Dave is having a stroke in chat. Dude, I can't wait to watch Cop stream live again. I'm actually planning on hiring the Coppinger for the project we're working on right now for design work. It's gonna be sweet. I'm gonna actually probably get to work with him. All right, I need to go back up to how we did map for the error. So here we have this B, so we have this F. We can get rid of this. We'll come here, OKA, that returns that, return this. That seems literally the same, just backwards. Like that's, okay, that actually appears that it worked. So we got a string. Let's change this to like, wonder how we could unify that to a result. I wonder if we could come over here and say, instead of that, yoink, GV, GC. Whoa, what the hell was that? We change this to a result of never E. Actually, we don't want to do, we're working on map error. I want this to unify to a result rather than an error. So I think I might be able to do result never F, and then we'll go to the other map error. God, my hand hurts. And rather than returning an OK,
functions describe the
hopefully this
world.
becomes unifies to a result. Result A never. Damn it. So why would that happen? I mean, we could write, I mean, that's fine for now. I don't care. We can fix that. I don't want to fight the types too much right now because we can come back. That is the right type. Okay, so let's come back through and keep what we had. So it looks like our types are being inferred correctly now, right? We saw that this is going to be a OK number. Yep, great. Let's see if we can add the chain here. So let's grab that, come down a line, put that there. Do you see that? And this should be inferred as a map, should be number. Great, good enough for me. All right, there's a couple other things I want to add to our results stuff here. What up, Costa? My second favorite viewer. All right, let's see here. I want to add a try function. And we also want a, Jesus Christ. I'm going to minimize this, and I want a class here, and it's going to be an error. So we're going to say class unwrap error extends error arrow. Functional programmer uses objects and classes. We'll say constructor. What is the constructor for an error? I just want to copy that. Yoink. We'll get a message, which is going to be a string, and we'll get options, which will be error options. and we'll come in here. We'll call super message options. Cool. So far, Spotify's not fucking up today. We haven't had to fix their issues yet. So down here, let's return throw new instead of throwing. No, we do want to throw here. Unwrap error. How am I feeling after the med switch? I took my, I got prescribed hydroxyzine to sleep, and I took it last night, and I actually slept, and it was great. I don't really like taking hydroxyzine because it makes me very groggy when I first wake up, and it also, I generally have nightmares when I take it, which I did last night, and I normally don't dream at all. Like, I can't tell you the last time I had a dream. And I had a fucking horrible nightmare that like woke me up at 5 a.m. But I slept really, really solidly up until that point. So I fell asleep before 1 a.m. last night, so I call that a win. What's crazy is like when I took Vyvanse, like I could fall asleep like right at 10 to 11, even though it was a stimulant. All right, this is looking good. We have our unwrap error, and then we want another error here. Let's say export that. And we want export. We're going to grab another error here. In fact, I don't even think I need this. I can just do this, right? This will be unexpected error. Unexpected. Okay. Actually, we'll just call this a try catch error. All right, so we're gonna write this try function where basically we want some function try, and it's going to take a function, and we're gonna say try catch. We're gonna get an error, and we probably want to overload this. Actually, we're gonna return new try catch error, and we'll say this is actually going to be a little bit different. It's going to take a constructor that takes options, and these will be error options. Yeah, we want that. And then we're going to call super with just try catch error, I guess. And then we'll pass through options. And we'll say, and we want cause to be mandatory. And that will be, how do we type that? Cause unknown. All right, so that will enforce that we have a cause. Come in here and we'll just call fun. Good morning, Mr. Wizard. Think we need to have a limit on how many songs you can request, because at some point we may as well listen to their playlist. All right, yeah, we can add rate limiting, but that probably, actually, you know what, Ethan, or anybody, if somebody wants to open up a pull request to the Twitch integrations repo and add rate limiting for a user, like if they already have like I don't know, 5 songs in the queue, let's make some rules here. I'll cut an issue if anyone wants to try to work on this. In fact, Twitch integrations. So here's the repo. I'll make sure it's pushed here in a second. Let me make an issue. And this is going to be song queue management. Let's come in here. Let's make a bulleted list. Add rate limiting such that a user can only request, I don't know, 3 songs back to back to back without other users requesting songs. Limit a user to having, I don't know, let's say 5 songs in the queue. All right, let me go push that code if anyone wants to take a shot at that. That's not important. Is this just the queue? Oh my God, so much JSON. Yeah, we do need to push this. We'll say, I don't know, update, fuck it. No, my mvarc is not pushed in this. That is what happened the other day, though. When my Twitch API key stopped working, I had accidentally pushed my mvarc, and GitHub picked it up and invalidated my token with Twitch. No, the song request thing is the glitch. Glitch is a Twitch client for Gleam. BeatBridge is a Gleam tool that we're gonna keep building once we get some more client work done to transfer songs between Apple Music and Spotify. I've got like 1 million projects, but those were interim things while I was waiting on the client to clear up some stuff for me and give me the okay to continue on some stuff, and that's what we're back to today. I'm gonna go throw my mug on the charger and grab a water. Okay, so back to our project bucket list. All right, we got that working, and we want try. This is gonna be, I don't even care what this is. And this needs that'll be cause error. Return, this will be result.error. And this will be This isn't going to handle asynchronous stuff yet. All right, where did I screw this up? What did I do wrong here? Why can't I type this? Oh, I have to do, yeah, I see what I did wrong there. We should really make this like, handle promises too. So let's say this is going to be that or promise A. And this will be yank find that. And this will be or a result. Something like that. And we'll say const result equals function. How do I detect if something's a promise? I probably did this in Melange FFI. Whoa, that's not what we wanted. Okay, maybe not. I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? Instance of promise, yep. Thank you, Carl. Is that what I do? Oh, no. We could do, we return result dot then. I just narrowed it to a, no I didn't. So results should be narrowed to an A here. Yeah. Oh, right. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That works, doesn't it? And then let's add, I want to add one other thing here. I want to have like this options thing. And that's going to be like, that takes a matcher of A, E, and R, or B. And this will have A, E, B. E is going to do we really want that? No, we'll leave that for now. All right, let's write the JS doc for this. Write JS docs for this. No, because that's a function that's passed in. Right? Or wait. Yeah, I don't think I need that, actually. It's just some function that returns. Link. Nice. So the result of the awaited promise doesn't matter here. Gotcha. Well, we'll catch it and reject it. Yeah, we would catch if the promise rejected. Right? If this promise rejects, yeah, we'd catch it. Okay, this is looking good, looking good. Let's update lazy real quick. We're gonna add biome to this too. Let's come in here. We're gonna add option next. We'll build out our option type. And we're also gonna add biome. So let's go ahead and do that next. Let's get a terminal open and we'll make that smaller. Yo, somebody queue up Crab Rave again. Feel another Crab Rave. Still the greatest. This might be my greatest tweet of all time. This is so fucking funny. Oh my god. I love it. Biome, JS dev, get started, bun, copy, boom. Okay, we need to copy our flake from here. And we'll go up to personal, prelude, go in here, and we're gonna paste that. Yep, and open that, and this is going to be change in there. This will be prelude, TS. Yeah, I just want like a tiny little package I can copy and paste into projects or install for like quick stuff with all the utility types and functions that I end up using in all my projects anyways, on both the front end and the back end. I love effect TS, but like I don't want to bring it in for tiny things. And I don't want to use effect in the front end yet. So just having like this little grab bag of stuff that I use all the time is just, yeah, especially for like my client work and my open source where I don't want to bring in effect. That's what we're building out right now. And we're using it for our client project that I'm working on. We don't need this. We don't need that. Or we might need that actually. Let's just keep that for now. Yeah, this is good enough. And we'll come in here and we'll jump in here and we'll say, whoops. Flake, yep. We'll echo, yep. Use flake dir env allow. So we just got done rolling our error type. And we're gonna come in here and do the same thing for our option type once I get this added. Great. Okay, we're just gonna do bunx that, boom. Yeah, I'm keeping this super simple. Like if you look at my symbol outline here, there's not a lot of stuff going on, or I'm not getting too fancy with it. Like I have is okay, is error, map error, and then match, unwrap, unwrap or, unwrap error. Basically just all that. And then just some helpers. Pretty lightweight. Okay, so we got that going. Let's right quit out and see if, I'm not convinced I have biome as an LSP. Oh, I do have it. Okay. Cool. Okay. Really, this should be the other way around. I know you all just watched that happen. I got word that my there's an ad break in process. I don't know. My Twitch panel says ads are in progress for the next 9 seconds. All right, so we should have biome working now. Okay, I don't remember what I was saying. I got totally distracted. So we should be able to see biome installed here. Yeah. Great. So what about conform info? All right, so I should be able to do bunx biome. What are the commands for biome? The formatter, introduction, how do I run you? CLI? The hell is happening here? That's like weird formatting, right? Feels like a font didn't load or something. So we'll do biome format -- right. Looks like that didn't update anything. So we were already good. No fixes applied. Nice. Okay, we'll take it. We have our biome.json linter enabled, organize imports. Sure. Okay, I think it's fucking running. I just write flawless. You got word that, and then you stopped. I got word that. Dude, I have no idea what the fuck I was saying. I have no idea what I was saying. No idea, just gone. All right, so we're gonna copy this. Essentially, let's do this, and I'm just gonna have ChatGPT write the boilerplate for this. Based on this code, implement the option type in the same style. Cheers, Kraut. Yeah, dude, I completely lost what the fuck I was talking about. I have no idea. Classic, right? I did. I'm almost done my seltzer already. No, it's not soda, dude. I don't drink soda. It's a Le Croix. It's the only good LaCroix flavor. Black raspberry. Every other LaCroix flavor is dog water. Le Croix. LaCroix. LaCroix. I don't know how you say it. Leclerc? It is a Leclerc. Yeah, I drink like 3 of these a day. They're so good. All right, that looks like a good baseline, and we'll go code review what this bot just did. Okay, this looks good. Crab, rave, crab, rave. So what we have to do here, we want a, what happens in effect TS if you try to pass undefined to an option? Is that okay to do? I know they have from nullable. I guess we can enforce that at the type level, right? We could say that A will be a non-nullable. Non-nullable. Isn't there a non-nullable TypeScript helper? Type foo equals non-nullable. Exclude, yeah. Non-nullable. Can I do this? No, I have to put that extends non. That's not gonna work. What happens if I do non-nullable? All right. Oh. I'll have to import that. It's fine. Sure. That constructor should probably save us. Let's move that down there. Do that. Great. That looks super good. This is looking good, looking good, looking good. Me up, do you fill me up? We're gonna have to update the matcher. Yep. Option sum, this would be non-nullable. Okay, so let's open this, and we want to actually grab our matcher, and we're gonna make this a little bit different. We're gonna come over here, and we're gonna put that, I don't know where we'll put that. We'll just put that at the bottom of this, I guess. And this will be, shouldn't read it. Yeah, I get it. We don't want any of these actually. This is gonna be okay, or this will be sum. And this will be none. And this will be nothing in there. This needs that gets a B up there, so we can get rid of the E and get rid of that template. Yep, okay. Great. That needs to be sum. We'll replace okay with sum. Down here we'll replace air with none. Okay, that looks good. We have our matcher. Let's go to our next error. Right, that doesn't need that. Matcher dot sum. Okay, that looks good. This will be none. Great. And then we need a unwrap error, which we can borrow that from result. Yeah, this is looking good, chat. So we want another helper on here called from nullable. So we'll say from nullable, and this is going to be a function that takes a value, which is going to be a, and that'll just be a, and it's going to return an option of a, and then we'll come in here and we'll say if value, I guess we can just do if value, right? Because null and undefined will always be false. Return option dot sum value. Otherwise, we'll return option dot none. Yeah. Isn't this too nullable though? No, I don't think so. What's up?
You left these open and outside.
Oh.
And now there's, I think, how many flies are in here?
You caught flies?
Yeah, there's like 5 in here.
It's a fly trap. You're welcome.
Wait, see, there's 1, 2.
Winnie.
Winnie's like, I'll eat it.
Good morning, Bodie. Good morning, Bodie. Come here, big man. Come here. Oh, good morning.
He hasn't had his
Good
breakfast
morning. Oh, you want your puppy chow? You didn't eat yet. It's time. Is it time? Oh, he's so excited. Tell her.
yet. Hi, Winnie.
Tell
Buddy,
her.
get him. Buddy, get him.
Oh, good
Buddy,
morning.
get him.
Good morning, Bodie. Good morning. Are you ready for breakfast? Oh, you are ready for
Are you
breakfast.
ready? Let's go.
Let's ask ChatGPT. I'm pretty sure this is not from nullable, right? I think that's to nullable. Or from nullable. I think that's right. Because it's going from a nullable value to an option. Yeah, no, I'm right. Yeah, this is exactly what we want. Okay, I think this is right. So we can come down here and we can be like const value equals option dot from nullable, and let's just like declare function foo, which will return a string or undefined, and then we'll call foo, and then we can, so that should be an option of string. Oh, you son of a bitch. So maybe we implement that at the higher level here.
Hey, what time are we gonna have to leave?
I'll wrap up streaming at 10. My appointment's at 10:45, so I'll just hop in the shower and then we'll go. Yeah, 10:45. So
Also, I got a cute little like Cisco fit today.
nice.
I can't get the zipper. The zipper broke.
Could you make me a coffee?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm just waiting for Small Dog to get in. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm covering for Anders today,
Okay.
and it's year-end
Okay.
madness. Wait, help me fix my zipper.
This should not be from undefined.
It's stuck.
What?
Wait, help me fix that. Thank you.
I always hop in the shower.
He really hops too.
All right, how do we enforce that? Let's see here. Right now, the type of value is option string or undefined. How can we make it so that it's option string? I think we're gonna have to copy this pattern for all of it, potentially. No, no, no. That's not what we want.
Functions
So we want a
describe the world.
create an option type in TS that prohibits the A value from being null or undefined. Value is a non-nullable T. That's what I fracking thought. Non-nullable A, sum A.
Okay, one last thing before I go upstairs.
What's up?
You're taking Winnie for her side of point injection tomorrow.
What time?
11:30.
At what time?
11:30.
Okay, I don't have my work calendar. Did you check my work calendar?
You didn't have anything.
I can't. Tomorrow.
You can't?
No.
Okay.
I'm presenting in an all hands meeting at 11.
Could you do 9?
I would rather not.
I mean, I can take her.
What?
I
Can you schedule it in the afternoon? I can do any time in the afternoon tomorrow.
Anytime in the afternoon. Okay.
Except for I have a meeting with Kylie from 2:30 to 3.
Okay, so anytime outside of that.
Yeah. Account for travel time.
I know.
Okay, thank you. Okay. It'd be nice if I could make sum A. I wish you two would just get along. A extends non-nullable be like A, B extends non-nullable A equals non-nullable A, and then everything is B's in here. No, that's dumb. That's not what we want. How do I do this? Why is this so hard? Oh my god.
Nope, this is it
So
for
it's
you.
just non-nullable.
Alright, here you go, baby. Go ahead. 4:30 tomorrow.
Okay, that works.
Do you want me to send your calendar invite?
Sure. Yeah, we might just have to cast, which might be okay. There we go. Now the question is, do we have to do that anywhere else? First, she asked like 8 times for help. I couldn't hear her about the zipper. I'd rather not, punk. This is a non-nullable A. Okay, this is looking good there. That looks good. I'm okay with that cast. So the option, that looks good. The matcher's fine. Let's open U. I think this is all okay so far. How did I do that in the result? Okay, that is unknown. So that's a option string, and then I should be able to map and say X to X, and we should have good types here. Come on, LSP. 2. And that's going to be none or some string. Yeah, that's fine. That was supposed to be I or some number. Great. And then I can do a and then. And this should take our value. And we can go here. And we'll do just option.none. We get an unknown. I think that actually makes sense, right? Does it? Should be an option. No, whatever, that's fine. I think this is enough for me to publish it soon. Oh, Gleam that is not today. So we're gonna update that command. Command, update. Where's the rest? We're getting there. I'm like building some better foundations for me to work off of in my front-end TypeScript, and I'm publishing a little utility library that's a little bit lighter weight than Effect that I can just copy and paste. Oh God. Let me scroll up. I got all that conversation. Catch me outside, how about that? Is moving to the capital / bigger city for my master's degree.
Functions describe the world.
I think it'd be fun to live in a city if you're young. What up, Max? What in the OCaml script am I reading? Yeah, we are. We're making a little library for me to install and copy and paste in small projects that I don't want to bring effect into. Oops, efficiency. All right. So we have that. This looks good. Then I want to go copy some stuff from, I have this function module in here that I want to grab yet. And that should be, probably grab these nominal and brand types too. Let's go into nominal, not nominal. I want to grab most of this. I actually don't want to grab the curried stuff. Chat, pretend you don't see the sins I've committed here. Here we go. This is what I want. Constant tap. We don't need try catch because we wrote this earlier. We can, is there anything below try catch? No, there's not. Okay, we'll grab this, then yoink that over to our prelude library, come in here, and we'll make function.ts, save that, go in there, paste that. We'll say, this is going to be export const fn equals an object as const, and then we're basically just going to grab you down to here. So we just, I think we can just get rid of the function keyword. Okay. That looks fine to me. Let's close this side and let's fix up our JS docs. Paste that in there. And we'll get this one. Paste that there. Delete that. Down to there. Down to here. Down to there. Down to that. Paste that there. Great. Okay. And we can make this go below that so it's not as noisy at the top of the file. Yes, you're right. I'm going to be a lot further away from my family, but it's only 2 years. Yeah, I think it'll be a good experience. I encourage most people to move away from home for at least for a little bit. I think it's a really good thing for just developing a different or your own worldview. I don't know. That might be a nice vacation for your family, Nightshade. I almost called Nightshade meta again. I do that all the time. Basically the same person, so. All right, there we go. Let's grab this and we'll move this down. Uh-oh. Yoink that. And that will go down under here. That can go here. Why is this fucked up? Comma? Yeah. Whoa. Oh, I don't need an example. Sure, we'll keep it. It's like not bad actually. Okay, that all looks good. Grab our identity function, delete to I, do that again, space this out. Yeah. Grab that, come put that after you. Or is this compose? No, that's tap. Drop that there, add a comma, that's good. You heard Dylan, gotta move away, them's the rules. I do make the rules. Yo soy el capitán ahora. So then we got flip. Now we'll go here. Great. And we're gonna go and rename. Okay, this looks like a good file. I think we're about done and ready to publish this. I'm gonna rename this to A. Great, that just kind of worked. That changed the JS docs too. I don't know if you guys caught that. That's fucking dope. A, B. And then we'll come in here, and this will be A. That's the language server. TS server works with JS docs. Thank you for streaming this. I'm looking to surround myself around good developers coding because I plan to enter this as a career. Not sure if school or a cert is more beneficial, but I'm sure the right opportunity will be presented in my search. Yeah, Don Revere. I don't know how to say your name, but Don, just start building stuff. That's the best thing I can say. Don't get stuck in tutorials. Figure out something that you would love to build and have fun, even if you don't know how to do it, and then just struggle through it bit by bit, and that will put you miles ahead of peers in the same situation as you. All right, the other thing I want to add is we're gonna go ahead and gank Tech Savvy Travi's package, Sloth Pipe. Yeah. It's a lazy pipe. And we're just going to export this bitch's pipe. Bun install sloth pipe. I want to take a screenshot of that and tag Travi. Baxter? Yeah, no problem, Don. All right, so we're just gonna basically re-export that. So let's import. Let's see here. Let's hop over to. Hi, Bodhi.
Describe the world.
Does he not have the GitHub linked?
Speaks the gospel of the camel. I
Whatever.
speak the gospel of the dunes.
Thank you for
Sand
the
is in my
sub,
veins.
Davey.
Come ride a camel with me today.
Typecraft. Twitch question, because I'm a noob. Is this royalty-free music, or does this not matter on stream? I mean, technically it matters. It's not royalty-free, but I have OBS. I can show you this. I have OBS set up, so the music doesn't get put onto my VOD. So if you come here and look at this, let me go in here. Yeah. So my screen source is where the music comes from, and I just don't record it to track 6, which is what exports as where's the settings? You then come on here, output, stream. Yeah, Twitch VOD track, it's only 6. Everything but my screen goes to 6. And that's how I do that. All right, let's go import pipe. Yeah, from sloth pipe, and then we're just gonna. What is the API here? We'll just export pipe. Oops, that's not what we wanted. Here we go. We want to do this, and we'll say pipe is equal to pipe. Whatever. I don't care about that because I'm the only person using this library, so it doesn't matter. Whatever, I'll just have them do it real quick. Write a JS doc for this. Sure. And we'll actually use Travis' example from the docs, from his docs. So it lines up with the @ symbol. Okay. Whoa, what the fuck just happened there? There we go. And let's rename this to A. Let's change this to value. All right, let's publish this package now, and then we'll bring this into our stuff. So let me go to my package JSON, come in here. We'll do a vsplit because I can never remember how to properly do this. So let's go to source, up, melange FFI. I know this is published. Let's go in here. We want these. Paste that there. This will be 1. Prelude TS. A grab bag of types and utilities I find useful. Module. Type author, you can grab this. Repository, this will be changed to there. That'll be prelude TS. That looks good. Exports, oh yeah, we need to set up our export. So let's grab that because we want the same thing. And then let's grab our scripts. Let's actually grab just tsup, which we can just install, I guess. Bun add -- dev tsup. What does prelude TS do? It just has, it's just a little library that has all the stuff we just wrote, the option, the result, and that stuff. I mean, I'm not publishing this for anyone else other than myself. I don't want to put that much work into it. Let's grab this. What did I miss here? That was weird. Where do you publish this? I'm gonna publish it to npm. So let's go in here and I'll look at how I did the index. Yeah, okay. So let's go in here and index.ts. Sure. Okay, that should fix the problem we had. Yeah, okay, that works. Back over here, do I have any sort of build? Yep, there it is. Yoink this. And what was the ts up config ts? So we'll add ts up.config.ts. Write that, go in there, paste that. Great. And then back to the JSON. I should be able to build. C bun run build. Okay, I think I know how to fix that. Pipeable. Export pipeable. Export, how do I export pipeable from sloth pipe? How do I fix this? So you're trying to use sloth pipe? Yeah. But it cannot be named? Alright, sure. I think it... Does he not have that exported? Here, I know what we're gonna do. Export type pipeable is going to equal the return type of pipe. There we go. What is this? I know nothing about what it does. It just adds pipelining. His package is right here. If you want to look at it. I just basically am re-exporting it because I want it without having to write it. We'll say A. Can I do that? Is that valid syntax? No. All right, let's try this now. We're gonna do bun build. Damn it! Exported variable fun has or is using name pipeable from an external module. Okay, yes, I get that. I want that to happen. That's okay. If I get rid of this, does it work? I'm just gonna throw that over here for now. I hate you. I hate you so much. I hate JavaScript build tooling. Fix this TS up problem. Here is the file it's upset about. So we should actually undo what we just did there, because I want to go back in here and do, yeah, I want that back. And I'll throw this here. Guess what? Don't even care. Haha, we got it. Fuck you. Okay. Now I should be able to publish this, right? I should be able to just go to package JSON and I should be able to run publish patch. I don't need to do that, but I can do publish. Is this already a package? Damn it. Damn it. I thought I checked this name earlier. I thought we had it. annoying. I need a name. TS Prelude. You're so smart, Kraut. 5 mood, yes. Frick, there's another one. We're just gonna do DM Prelude. Don't even care. It's my freaking prelude. DMTS Prelude? Or should we come up with a better name? No. But wait, can you have underscores in package names? Really? I guess that's just not allowed. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? I know exactly what we're gonna do. Payment required? Oh, I need to... That's annoying. Wait, I don't want this to be private. 2024 Toyota thing. Module npm private. About scopes. Oh, I guess I can just do that. No. You mother. npm package fix. This is gonna nuke my package JSON. Let me make this repository to make sure that it's just like access public. Okay. Thank you. All right, let's get this pushed quick. We have a git ignore. I want to ignore, where's that .env? Payment required for private packages? I did what you said. I did the access thing. I have that. Oh, no, I didn't. Let's fucking go. We're published. Let's go, chat. Thank you, Sentient. That was a walking freaking skill issue on my end. Grab my OTP. Dude, this thing needs to stop challenging me. I just did all this. Yeah, if you ever need a referral, I got you. Where is it? Man, I forgot I had some of these packages. All right, I don't even know if this built right. I didn't even check it. That looks right. Good to me. Ship it. All right, so now we can go over to project bucket list, and I should be able to bun install at dmmmulroy/prelude. So let's see if we can actually get that like in here. Can I just be like import result from at the Mulroy preload? Oh yeah, put that all over your resume. I don't really have anything in here that I would use. Let's go. There's got to be something in here. I don't even know what a good file to play with this in is. Probably onboarding. Okay, that's not what we want, apparently. What does this... Oh, it's an array. That's why. Okay, never mind. Duh. Onboarding assessment. Right. We'll do, I'm not gonna have time. I have to get ready for an appointment anyways. Okay, either way, we got this Prelude package published, and that's gonna be super useful for me to use in projects and stuff. So I'm just gonna wrap up a little early so I have a little bit more time to get ready for my appointment. Tech support is probably who we're gonna raid. Let's just see who's going. Prime. Yeah, let's raid tech support. Let's see. And let's go ahead and raid. Thanks, y'all. We'll be back tomorrow morning, and we'll work on our actual client app. All right, peace, y'all. Have a lovely Thursday.